this is the bug fixes that we need to rectify. All bugs have been resolved. So these are the few ones that we resolved. I think three identified so far. Okay. Usually before, all users can see this information. That's the incomplete content area and all that. This is only for the admin. We are reading it for other users, so Mary cannot see that. It's gone here. Only the admin can see some prompts that are only for the admin. There are those like if you've not set up your profile, everybody can see that. All right, resolved. So on to the next one. Yeah, admin. There is a security concern, actually privacy concern. In a bit, I'll show you what I mean. Yes, where the admin sees the DM direct messages. How it happened, I don't know, but it have been corrected. So direct messages, admin can no longer see anybody's direct message. So users can only see DMs that they are involved in conversation, whether receiver or sender. If you're the sender or you're the receiver, it appears here. Likewise, the user direct messages. So it's already resolved. It's a huge security concern. So we respect users' privacy. So we have to quickly adjust that. So resolved. Then the last bug fixes that we have is the comment section. Alright, the comments, it existed for both pages and blog. Okay, let's look at the blog post that we made earlier. Alright, yeah, earlier blog post that we made earlier. Did I click this? I think I did. Alright, so if you go down, yeah, it's corrected. It's no more bearing the same user comment and all that. So the reply, actually the URL was correct, the name was misplaced, so it has been corrected. So hopefully this will help you and your business grow faster than you thought. Okay, now pages, let's also check pages. Pages is also corrected. Yes, also corrected. I think we have all the bug fixed. So please spread the news. I'm creating web app version 2025 3.0 is here for you. Get your business up running. Please like and share. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.